If you're looking for a career in real estate, you definitely don't want to miss out on eXp Realty. We offer a variety of exciting opportunities that will help you grow and develop as an individual. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking for a new challenge, we have something to offer for everyone. In this video, I'll give you a general overview of the company and explain how to apply. I'll also have some testimonials from happy employees who can tell you what it's like to work here. And finally, I'll share a little about eXp Realty for real estate agents. So whether you're interested in working with us or just want to learn more, keep watching. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't already, as I release a new free training 3 times per week, as well as go live every Tuesday, and you won't want to miss any of it. Finally, if you'd like my free real estate business plan template to track your sales, commissions, profit and loss, net worth, and budget, head over to kylehandy.com/business plan to download it today. Okay, now let's get started. So what is eXp Realty? eXp Realty is a residential real estate brokerage under the parent company eXp World Holdings. eXp World Holdings is headquartered in the United States in Bellingham, Washington. However, eXp is a cloud-based company, therefore our agents and employees are able to work from anywhere in the world. Glenn Sanford founded the company in 2009, and today eXp Realty is one of the fastest growing real estate brokerages in North America. eXp World Holdings has many exciting career opportunities for real estate professionals such as agents, brokers, and staff. eXp World Holdings also owns eXp Commercial, Verbella, Showcase IDX, and Success Enterprises, increasing the career opportunities available. So let's start out by talking about the company culture at eXp Realty. The company culture at eXp Realty is one of our biggest assets. We pride ourselves on being a team that is supportive, positive, and fun. Our employees are passionate about what they do, and it shows in their work ethic. eXp Realty has over 1,800 employees and is growing rapidly. Also, eXp Realty is home to over 70,000 agents globally. So why should you consider a career at eXp Realty? Some of the reasons to consider a career at eXp Realty include a growing company with lots of opportunities for advancement, competitive pay and benefits, a team-oriented culture that is positive and supportive, and you can work from anywhere in the world, including your home. So now you're probably wondering, what are the career opportunities that are available at eXp Realty? Well, here you go. Real estate agent transaction coordinator, inside sales representative, marketing manager, lead generation specialist, accounting and finance, agent experience, brokerage operations, eXp Global, legal, events project manager, HR coordinator, technology support specialist, and many, many more. So here are some tips for someone interviewing at eXp Realty. Some tips or advice that I'd give to someone interviewing at eXp Realty would include being prepared to talk about your experience in real estate and why you want to work for eXp. Be positive and enthusiastic and let your personality shine through. Know what our company values are and be able to explain how you align with them. Okay, so now let's talk about some of the benefits of working at eXp Realty. The benefits of eXp Realty would include a 401k plan with company match, medical, dental, and vision insurance, paid time off, and even employee discounts. However, the specific benefits that you receive depend on the position and whether you're full-time or part-time. By the way, talking about part-time, if you're thinking about getting into real estate part-time, check out the video that I made that I'll link above. Okay, so now let's talk about the future of eXp Realty. I feel very positive about the future of eXp Realty. We are a growing company with lots of opportunities for advancement. Our culture is one of our biggest assets, and we have a team that is passionate about what they do. If you're looking for a career in real estate, I would highly recommend eXp Realty. So now let's shift gears and talk a little bit about eXp Realty for real estate agents. If you're a real estate agent and considering joining eXp Realty, check out my partner page. I'll share the link in the description below. On this page, I share a video that explains the opportunity available for agents. Also, I answer many frequently asked questions that I've received since joining eXp Realty as an agent in 2017. All right, so are you curious about what other people have to say about eXp Realty? Here's some reviews from other agents and employees of the company. eXp Realty is a top-rated company on Glassdoor. Employees who have worked here rate the company very positively, citing great company culture, good pay and benefits, and opportunities for growth. Sarah H says, I've been with eXp for about a year and it's been great. The company is growing rapidly and there are lots of opportunities for advancement. The culture is supportive and positive, and I love that I can work from anywhere in the world. It's been a great experience so far. Also, Kelly F., who's an inside sales agent for eXp Realty, has this to say. eXp Realty is a great company to work for. They offer competitive pay and benefits, and the team-oriented culture is amazing. I've been with eXp for about 2 years now, and I love it. The company is constantly growing, and there are lots of opportunities for advancement. If you're looking for a career in real estate, I would highly recommend eXp Realty. Okay, so now you're interested, but what's the hiring process at eXp Realty? The hiring process at eXp Realty is simple. Head over to eXp Realty's career page, which I'll link down below in the description, and scroll down the page and click on View Jobs. You can browse the list of available positions and click Apply on the position that you'd like to be considered for. eXp will review your application, and if you're a good fit for one of the open positions, they'll contact you for an interview. It typically takes about 2 weeks from start to finish to get hired at eXp Realty. However, for certain positions, the timeline could certainly be longer. All right, so to wrap this up, eXp Realty is a company that prides itself on making people who work here happy. We have an excellent benefits package for our employees, and we offer training programs to help you grow professionally in your current position or develop skills needed for future positions as they become available. If you're looking for a career with opportunity, head over to eXp Realty's career page and check out the positions available today. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits that you receive. I'm passionate about helping agents win. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads, and I'm never too busy for you. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called The Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew into the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now I want to turn it over to you. Are you an employee at eXp Realty? Are you considering a career here? Let me know in the comments below. Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.